in the county of Nairobi, the National Assembly public participation for the county of Nairobi, capital city. The public participation at the Bomas of Kenya was presided over by select ODM members of parliament from Nairobi County, who repeatedly asserted that the event was for invited guests only. My Lord, it is our submission that that is a mockery of effective public participation under the Constitution. And you'll find what I'm saying in the exhibits, my Lord, in exhibit marked RG 5 in volume 6, page 757 to 758. And also exhibit marked RG 7 in volume 6, page 764 to 765.